Okay, I know that you want to jump right into editing, but please follow through with this because there are a few settings that are really going to be important so you know where your project's at. So let's click on New Project. And we're always going to want to give our project a name. So we'll call this Kitten Countdown. And right here where it says location, this is the really important part. You don't want to save this in this really weird place under Documents, Adobe Premiere Pro, whatever. This is particularly important if you're using a laptop because the project files are going to get really, really large and it's going to take up space on your drive. We want to move this project over to our Kitten Countdown folder that we created in the Time Arts folder of our external drive. So click Browse here and then navigate over to your external drive and into your folder, and we've created Kitten Countdown for this, but for whatever folder, for whatever project you're using, you'd select that folder there, and then we just hit choose. All right. And then under scratch disks here, you want this to be the same as project. So it's going to do that by default. We don't need to worry about ingest settings. And then once that's all set, we can just hit OK.